In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Sites and integrate Google Forms effectively. This process is simple and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to enhance their site with interactive forms. Let's get started. First things first, let's head over to Google Sites. You'll want to have your web browser ready and navigate to the Google homepage. From there, you can locate Google Sites either through a quick search or by accessing it from the Google Apps menu. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see options to either start a new site or edit an existing one. If you're new to this, starting fresh is just as simple, with plenty of templates on offer to help you begin customizing your site right away. Now that you have your site open, look towards the right-hand side of the screen for the Insert tab. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down menu full of different elements you can add to your site, like text boxes, images, and more. Today, though, we're focusing on adding a Google Form, a powerful tool for gathering feedback or information from your audience. Scroll down this list and select Forms. Clicking on Forms will redirect you to Google Forms, the platform you'll use to create the form you would like to embed. Once you've been redirected to Google Forms, this is where the fun truly begins. Google Forms offers a rich set of features, allowing you to customize your form to suit your unique needs. You can add different question types such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answers. Additionally, you can adjust the settings to collect email addresses, make questions required, or even shuffle question order for a more personalized touch. If you've never used Google Forms before, spend some time here exploring the options to get a sense of the capabilities at your fingertips. Don't forget to give your form a catchy title and description to draw in respondents. Finally, once satisfied with your form's design and content, you'll want to embed it back into your Google site. To do this, click on the Send button at the top right corner in Google Forms. Then you'll see a link option to share the form, but what you're looking for is the Embed Code option. Once you click on this option, copy the embed HTML. Head back over to your Google site, and within the Insert menu, find the Embed option. Paste the copied HTML into the Embed section, and voila! Your form is now seamlessly integrated into your site. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully integrated a Google form into your Google site. This process not only enhances the interactivity of your site, but also provides a professional touch that can help engage your audience more effectively. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or organizing events, Google Forms, in conjunction with Google Sites, is an invaluable toolset for your online presence. Thanks for following along, and happy creating.